Ignoring the National Socialist Council of Nagaland, Isak Muiva's defiant posturing and demands, the Government of India has decided to go ahead with its plan to sign a peace accord with all the other armed rebel groups and civil society organization of Nagaland soon, media reports said. Medical Superintendent of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Jenims Porompat, Professor T. Rajan and his wife have tested positive for COVID-19. The test was done at the BRDL of Jenims yesterday. The couple has been put under isolation at their official quarter. Manipur's coronavirus recovery rate stood at 77.46% as of this morning. The total case tally now stands at 12,240. So far, 9,482 patients have been discharged after recovery, while the active cases stand at 2,680. Yesterday, 3 women succumbed to the respiratory disease, taking the death toll to 78. As COVID-19 cases continue to rise in Jiribam district, the number of containment zone has increased manifold. Our Jiribam correspondent reports that neighboring Jirigad in Kasar district of Assam is also witnessing constant surge in COVID-19 cases. Today is 198th day since India implemented a nationwide lockdown to help curb the novel coronavirus pandemic. So far, India has recorded 67,57,131 confirmed COVID-19 cases, including 1,04,555 deaths. Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka have reported the highest number of cases. Yet India's recovery rate continues to rise and now stands at 85% as per a report. The Chief Electoral Officer of Manipur, CEO Prashant Kumar Singh, said that the state is all set to conduct the by-elections to the 5 constituencies which are lying vacant at Manipur Legislative Assembly. A total of 1,57,658 voters of the 5 constituencies, namely Wangoi, Saitu, Singhat, Wangzing Tentha and Lilong, will go to polls on November 7. In a pre-poll incident, workers of BJP and Congress class at Samurao Makhalaikai under Wangoi constituency yesterday. The constituency goes to by-poll on November 7th. Police during the class used tear gas cells to disperse the crowd. An unknown disease has killed several Mithuns at Karaukuno, a remote village of Ternopal district. A Moray correspondent reports that more than 10 Sandangs have died in the village due to the mysterious disease in the past few days. The residents have drawn immediate attention from the related government departments. United People's Administrative Council Upako Manipur, in association with the resident of Maryland Village in Ternopal district today, organized a tree plantation program at Maryland Village. Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission brand ambassador Valentina Elangwam kicked off the program. Heavy rainfall triggered a major landslide early this morning on Topwal Jogangtek, Bishnupur Road. ABCI company under the sponsorship of ADB has been taking up improvement work on the road. Many vehicles, including passenger buses, were stranded on the roads for several hours until excavator cleared the debris, the report added. Major landslide triggered by rain swept away 2 buildings, 1 bus and a car at Aizaul's Dambawak locality on the northern outskirts of the capital of Mizoram last afternoon, police said. A media report said no casualty has been reported in the incident that occurred around 3:30 p.m. The Meghalaya government has spent at least Rs 1.9 crores a day on measures related to fighting against COVID-19, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Singh has said. As per media reports, the state has incurred COVID-related expenditures worth Rs 399 crores in the last 7 months from March to September.